Hello everyone. In this video guide, I'll show you some tips on how to make or assemble this really fun portable lunchbox dollhouse. Although these are completely custom made, and I have over 100 different types, this one was very meaningful as it was a gift to a loved one that was crazy about turtles, hence the Turtle Farmhouse custom theme. If you're interested in a completely personalized one, feel free to leave a message in the comment section of this video. We will start by assembling the front section with the turtle corral. As you will notice, you can mount these fence sections flush with the backside of this panel. Once they are positioned in place, you can use craft glue or super glue to permanently attach them. We will now assemble the main farmhouse section. You can start by assembling the steps one by one. You'll notice that the top and bottom steps are the only ones that are different. Keep in mind the orientation to ensure a perfect fit. The side section with the stairs can now be mounted to the background panel of the dollhouse, ensuring alignment of each one of the grooves. Feel free to mount the top section during this step to give the sidewall support while the glue dries. It is recommended to now mount the second story flooring, ensuring you match each one of the grooves accordingly and that it sits flush with the top of the step. The second sidewall can now be aligned and attached in place. The remaining bottom panel can now be mounted, making sure that it is aligned with each one of the grooves. Once this step is complete and all the panels are glued in place, we can now attach them to the bag using any kind of double-sided tape or adhesive you're comfortable using. I had a lot of this alien tape left over from a different project, and it ended up working well for this step. Although this design is meant to still allow the use of the lunch bag for its intent, I would probably not permanently glue this in case you ever want to remove or swap out for a different theme. One thing to keep in mind is that the dimensions of this portable dollhouse were specifically intended to be on the smaller tolerance side of 8 by 10 inch kids lunchboxes. Depending on what bag you're using, the size will vary, and in some cases it may be a little on the smaller side to ensure a universal fit. You'll repeat the same process for the front section of the dollhouse. Once the doll farmhouse is assembled, we can move on to the smaller accessories. I specifically kept it simple to allow portability of this dollhouse while making sure that there wouldn't be too many small pieces that you have to account for while kids are using it on the go. If you chose to engrave each one of the sides of the cowgirl and cowboy dolls, you can skip this step as you won't have to glue the front and back side together. Otherwise, it's as simple as attaching each side to each other and attaching it to the standing base of each doll. Just make sure if you laser cut this to use the right base, as I have included a 6mm and also a 3mm cut base to allow for different options. When assembling the turtles, make sure you keep track of all the pieces, as I purposely included in a design file 2 different sizes of turtles to give you more flexibility with options and less work for you. As you can see, assembling the turtles is pretty straightforward, as you only have a body section, 2 identical leg pieces, and a big, medium, and small shell components to create a 3D look. I recommend that you tack all the pieces before fully and permanently adhering to each other in case you make a mistake. We are now ready to make a very special loved one's day. As always, please leave any feedback in the comment section and ensure to like, share, and follow Super Simple DIY Crafts, as I'll be showcasing many more unique ideas like this that are guaranteed to put a smile on someone's face. Thank you guys for watching.